Hey guys, Wakas here. So, the most dangerous mistake you can make answering a call from an unknown number when you have no idea who's behind it. Because here's the thing, a scammer can start putting pressure on you from the very first word before you even realize what's happening. So, instead of answering yourself, let your iPhone answer for you first and basically make the caller explain who are you and why are you calling. Let me show you how. Open settings, then tap on apps and select phone. Now scroll down to screen unknown callers. Okay, so here you'll see three options. Let me quickly break them down. First one, never. So any unknown number just rings normally like always. Second, silence. This sends all unsaved numbers straight to voicemail. But honestly, I'd be careful with this one because it could make you miss an important call. But the best option, ask reason for calling. So go ahead and turn that on. And from this moment on, here's what happens. Whenever an unsaved number calls you, your iPhone answers automatically without even ringing on your end. So the caller hears Siri asking for their name and their reason for calling. They respond with their voice, and your iPhone turns that response into live text right on your screen. Then your phone rings and shows you exactly what they said. So now you get to decide answer it or decline, all before you've said a single word. Pretty smart, right? And here's the best part, you don't even need Hey Siri turned on or Apple Intelligence for this to work. It just uses Siri's voice automatically. All you gotta do is flip that one switch in the phone settings. So go ahead, test it out with a call from an unsaved number and watch it work. And hey, if this worked for you, drop a comment down below and leave me a heart. Trust me, it genuinely makes a difference and pushes me to dig deeper and show you more stuff you never even knew existed on your phone. And if you think this little trick could protect someone from a scam call, like the video, send it to them and subscribe so every important iPhone setting reaches you before you actually need it.